Hey, my money families. Just wanted to drop an update to you guys. Just giving you an update as far as stocks that I'm continuing to investing over the summer. As you know, during the summertime, that's when pretty much most people sell their stocks. And then they go away for vacations or take a break. And then usually that's when most of the stocks are selling. So there's like a good opportunity for us to grab some um, low cost stocks at this point of time. During summertime, it's like the best time to buy. But usually it's like as you buy, it's like it keep on falling and falling and falling. So people keep on selling. So usually you won't know the bottom when the bottom fall off, but just buy it over time. Don't buy it all at once. Just buy it over time because the moment that it goes down, then you're like, okay, I'm losing. You're not necessarily losing, it's just the fact that you buy it at a price that is a little higher than what it is right now. But you could buy it over time instead of spending all your money all at once. Just buy it over time. If you have like a specific stock or you have two or three that you're buying, just buy it over time, maybe like once a week. You buy a portion of this one, the next week you buy a portion of that one. So that way you're not getting it at the same price that you that it's selling for. Okay. So I'm gonna go over the tea first. Herbs and tea. Yes. As I mentioned to you before, when it comes to herb and tea, I'm really into it because when you do make money, when you do go to the store to buy stuff, you want to make sure whatever you buy, it's healing you, not causing you any harm or pain or either some kind of a health issues. So you want to use tea to like detox you, to cleanse and to heal you in the process of it all. So at least whenever in the future or either currently if you are sick you always know what tea that is helping you that will alleviate the pain or whatever discomfort that you have, you know which tea to go to. So ginger tea usually it's I it's good in a sense that if you ever sick, you make ginger tea the way that I used to do it, or either because when you're in the van, you do things differently. But the way that I used to do it when I did have time, I would blend the ginger. I would like boil hot water and then blend it so it could crush. And then you will wait until the water is boiled. You put it in the hot boiled water. You add cinnamons, you add cloves, and then you add star anise in there so you can add flavor to it. And then and then you lower the stove and you let it simmer so the full ingredient can dissolve in the water. And then after that, it simmer enough, you cool it off a bit, and then you add honey into it. And it is the most beautiful, especially during like when it's like cold season. That's like the best things you can ever drink. It's ginger tea. It warms you up. It just makes you feel comfortable. So ginger, pretty much what it does, it soothe digestive issues such as bloating and nausea, and also it helps support overall immune health. Um, Ginger, it's very anti-inflammatory, meaning it's against pain. Anything that's against pain, I'm with it. Yeah, as you're aware that I am, I'm always drinking tea to prevent sickness and to prevent pain because I don't like pain at all. I'm always like to be healthy. Um, so it's such a good tea. I mean, you add ginger to your food, especially when you're cooking chicken, especially when you bake chicken, you can stick a couple of pieces of ginger. It adds such flavor into that chicken. Whatever meat you cooking, you add ginger to it, or the flavor is gonna be enhanced, and you know the difference. You will taste the difference. Okay. So, and ginger can use as a, not just tea, as you know, tea is medicine, but you can add ginger where you can make it like, you can make lemon juice and you blend ginger into it. Such good flavor, and you add honey. Perfect. And then the way that if you have any sore throat, you can use ginger. You can mix, blend ginger, add lemon juice, add honey, and then a shot of vodka. If you have sore throat, that thing will clear up quick and fast. That's how it handle the sore throat. Leave it to ginger, sore throat will be gone. Okay, so the next one is chamomile. As you know, most people I know here in America, we know about chamomile. It helps with promoting better sleep, reduce stress, and soothing upset stomach. And also it contains compounds that act as a natural sedative and anti-inflammatory also. So it's, as you know, if you drink ginger before bed, let's say you're gonna go to bed before 10 o'clock, you drink it at around 9:30. That way it can start soothing you down. So that way when you go to bed, it really take you to sleep. And that's when you wake up, you'll be like, oh my God, I feel like I haven't slept in 100 years. That's how it really helps. Um, so you can always buy a bag at your not grocery store, go to the tea section. You'll find it there. For me, I keep a lot of herbs uh, and spices, because you can mix herbs and spices to make tea, so that way add flavor to it, and you're getting different compound from these different herbs and different spices when they mix together. So it's a combination of health. And then the stocks that I wanted to go over with you guys is SpaceX. SpaceX hasn't low enough for me to buy, because for me, I wait whenever there's an IPO come out, I don't buy right away, because I know other people already buy, they're gonna cash out at some point when you first come out, because other people already buy before the IPO come out. Some of the companies, some of the employee, they already bought, so now they're gonna cash out. So I wait until it cool off when all the hype and all the stuff goes down, maybe in a month or two. I think I'm going to wait until SpaceX is like maybe under $100. I might consider at that time, but right now I'm still waiting. Next one is MU. MU doesn't disappoint people. I mean, it's like just when you think it couldn't go higher, it does. So it's cooling off a bit. So now if you want to get involved, that will be the best time to start buying. AMD shocked me a whole lot. Um, AMD is like $550. It used to be like two when I first got it. It was like 231. PL, you do want to invest in PL because it's part of the SpaceX. It's a smaller company that helps with the SpaceX process, and also the ASTS. That one is also help. And then the next one is the quantum, which is an ETF. So you may want to consider that also, because as you know, quantum computing has been like on the move, so you do want to consider that also. And then VUG was on sale. I think it was like $82. Um, so I'm gonna continue to buying more of it, because as it goes down, I'm buying more. I mean, you do want to invest in ETF because you're investing in most of the market when you do buy ETF. So you're not just getting a single stock, you're getting like a combination of company within that ETF, which is the VUG. And then the Nvidia, as you know, Nvidia is starting to pick up just a little bit, but not as much. But you do want to start buying now while it's down. And then QTEX is like a penny stock. It's like, I think it was like $1.54 last time I saw it. So if you want to get involved in it, you can get involved. And then the next IPOs waiting to that's going to be coming up soon is the Anthropic and also OpenAI. So I'm gonna leave you guys there. Please like and subscribe. Let's build this channel. Let me know what you think. Put your comment below. Subscribe. For those of you who have already subscribed, welcome. And also thank you. So let's continue to build the channel. I'm gonna leave it right here. Bye. I'll see you guys later.